Hello, my name is Victor Rubin and this is Hungry Eyes Food Show, a show where I share my professional culinary experiences with you. And tonight on the menu is a dish called fish in the orchard, which is not particularly a strict recipe, it's more of a guideline how to deal with a whole fish or a piece of a fish on the bone using the best seasonal ingredients which you have right now. For example, right now we are in Germany in the winter. So for example, tomatoes are absolutely horrible, but we know that tomato is a berry, so we can utilize some of our berries to achieve what we want to achieve. Today we're using dorada, which is very commonly available. Instead of a tomato, we're gonna use Physalis, some fresh chili, some garlic, onion, fresh baby spinach, some fennel, some parsley, scallion, tarragon, a little bit of white wine, some butter and some salt. Cover your pan with water. Add some garlic, some chili, whole onion, Physalis, as many as you want. Put some parsley, tarragon, scallions. Build a little nest for your fish. Add fennel, cut with fish, season with olive oil and salt, and put it in the oven to 150 degrees for about 10 minutes. Add some white wine, butter, and let the sauce reduce. Just before you take it off the heat, add some spinach, and you're done. This is incredible. This is really good. Really, really, really good. Take a little bit of bread to help this out with the sauce. This is a shit.